Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn how you can use the Gohighlevel for real estate. So first is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Gohighlevel. Okay, so after that, you just have to tap on the login to app or start your 14-day free trial. Okay, so since we already have our account, so what I'm going to do here is to just log into the application. Okay, so you tap on this one, you just have to follow this two different steps. Okay, so typing out your details right here, and then after creating your account, you'd be able to see here now your dashboard. Okay, so on the dashboard, you just have to go to the settings. Okay, so you can find the settings right here at the bottom left corner of your screen. Okay, and then if you would like to edit your dashboard, you just have to simply tap on the edit dashboard option as well. If you would like to add some widgets or you want to customize the placement of your widgets that you can find here. So once you're done setting up your account, let us now go to the opportunities. So we have to build our CRM pipeline. So just go to the opportunities. Okay, and then just tap on the add pipeline. So we can name this one like real estate leads. So something like that. Okay, so let me just type it out right here. So just have to create a pipeline. So we can also add stages for deals like lead contacted, appointment scheduled, property showing, offer made, close. So something like that. Okay, so let me just customize this one. Then after that, you just have to tap on the create option. Okay, so let me just change this one. Okay, and then tap on create. That's right. So you just have to click on the stage, edit, customize colors, notes, and automation triggers. Okay, so after that, we can also add now our leads. So to add our leads, we just have to go to the contacts in the left menu. Okay, and then click the plus, add contact to manually enter the leads. Okay, so this one, that's right. And then after that, we just have to fill in details. Okay, like name, email, phone, property type, budget, location, and then notes. Okay, so you can also add the image for this lead or contact. So I'm just going to type out a random email right here. Okay, that's right. So here on the phone details as well. So you just have to select the country code first. Okay, and then I just have to input for here the phone number. Okay, so to select the country code, tap on the flag icon. That's right. So I'm just going to select the Philippines. And then next, you just have to select the contact type. Okay, and then the time zone and the channels. So once you're done, you just have to tap on the save option. So you can also import leads via CSV file if you have many. Okay, so after that, you'll be able to see that right here. Okay, so if you would like to capture leads using forms or funnels, then you just have to go to the funnels and website section. Okay, so you can choose a template like lead capture, or you can start with blank. Then you just have to add a form element to capture info like name, email, phone, property type. So you just have to connect the form to your pipeline. Okay, so here, let's just go to the set up our workflow. So just go to the automation, workflows plus new workflows. Okay, so right here, you can choose to start from scratch if you want to. And then I just have to add trigger. So form submitted or new contact added. So it depends of you what kind of trigger do you want to use. And then you can now add actions like, send SMS. Like, thank you for your inquiry. So here's my calendar, or checked out properties that match your preferences. Or you can also add tasks like call this lead in 24 hours. And then after, building your automation right here, you just have to save your workflow. So I'm just going to do a very short demonstration right here. Okay, so for your trigger, you just have to add your trigger right here. And then after that, for example, since we chose assign to option, or this one is a task, so you just have to choose your team member to do this task. And then after that, you'd be able to see here now your workflow list. Okay, so if you would like to create another workflow, just tap on the blue button that you can see at the top right of your screen. Okay, and then next is we are going to connect our calendar. So to do that, just simply go to the settings, this one at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then from here you can connect your Google or Outlook calendar. So you just have to go back to your workflow after adding your calendar right here, and then you just have to add the set calendar link to action, and this allows leads to book appointments automatically. Okay, so you just have to tap on the new calendar, and then you can use your Google calendar or your Outlook calendar. Now the next one is to send marketing campaigns. So to do that, you just have to go to the marketing section. Okay, and then just go to your campaigns, and then we are just going to create a new campaign. So as you can see right here, we have this social accounts that we can connect. So we have Facebook, Instagram, Threads, GBP, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest community, and Blue Sky. So for example, you would like to connect your Facebook account, especially if you have a Facebook page, and then you would like to get more leads. So just have to simply tap on it, and then make sure that you have logged in to your Facebook account. Okay, so after that, you can choose the email or the SMS campaign, and then you just have to add your contacts from your leads or smart list, like all leads and appointment schedule stage, and then you just have to write your message, you just scheduled or send immediately. Okay, so we also have here different templates that we can use as well. Okay, so here, this is the social planner section. And then the next one is to track the leads and deals. So just go back to the opportunities, to the pipeline, and then you'll be able to see here the leads move through stages. You just have to click the lead, see all the notes, emails, SMS, and tasks. And then you can also use the reports dashboard to track lead conversions and return of investment. Now your Gohighlevel is set up to specifically for real estate, so it captures leads, automates follow-up, schedule appointments, and track deals. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.